So let's jump straight into it. I'm starting off with this purple eye pencil to do the front of my brows. Now I've already added black to the end part of the brow, but now I added dark brown because I wanted to have that faded effect, if you know what I mean. You know, I want the purple to seem as if it is fading in that transition look. So I added the brown in between in the middle part. I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up the brows. You know the drill. And I already have a brow tutorial. One is always listing my tutorials. It's always in the clickable links in my videos. If you want to check that out, you can check out any one of my videos. Just cleaning up the top portion of the brow now, and this is really it for this video. Please like, share, and comment. Yeah, girl, do your dance, hey. Like, share, and comment, please. Share, and thank you for always supporting. You know your girl love you. Thanks for all your support. Thanks. Peace and blessings to you all. Bye.